Hello friends, in this BizTalk video, I will be demonstrating the steps to access distinguished fields and promoted properties from orchestration. First, a brief detail about property promotion in BizTalk. There are two ways in which elements from our schema can be promoted in BizTalk. First is promoted properties and second is distinguished fields. These two promotions can be done in two ways. One is quick promotion and second is show promotion. Using quick promotion, we can promote a property and get the element added in PropertySchema document in one step. And using show promotion, we can set promoted properties as well as distinguished fields. Now let's start with the demo. Now I have created a new BizTalk project. Now we'll add a schema document to the project. We'll name it employee schema. And add some records and elements to it. We will name the root record as employees and add a child record with the name employee. We'll add some couple of elements to the employee record. I have added 5 elements to the employee record. I have added employee ID, employee name, employee email, employee address and manager ID. Now let us add some promoted properties and distinguished fields. Right click on the employee ID, select promote and select quick promotion. Selecting quick promotion will create a new property schema file for us. Now we can ignore this property 1 field and we can simply delete this element. We only require employee ID for now. We can save this file. Now this employee ID is the promoted property. Now let us set the employee name field as distinguished. We'll go to the show promotions option. Now we are in the distinguished field section. We'll select the employee name and click on add. This adds the employee name to distinguished field. Now you can see that employee ID has been promoted and employee name is added as a distinguished field. Now let's promote the manager ID using quick promotion. The manager ID got added in the property schema. Now also let's add manager ID as a distinguished field. The changes got reflected over here. Manager ID is as a promoted property and as well as manager ID is present as a distinguished field. Now in order to access these elements in our orchestration, let's create a new orchestration. Let us add an expression shape in our orchestration. Now in order to access the fields in our orchestration, we'll have to create a new message and a new variable. Let us create a new message, rename it to Msg. Provide the message type as the schema that we have created just now. Let us create a new variable, right, rename it to var. Let's give its data type to string. Now we are ready to access those promoted and distinguished elements in our expression shape. Now let us first try to access the distinguished field. We'll give the message name. To access the distinguished field, we have to use the dot operator. Once we hit dot, we get the record name under which our distinguished field is present. Once again we can give a dot and we can see that we had added employee name and manager ID as distinguished field. So this way we can access our distinguished field. Now let us try and access our promoted properties. Now remember we had promoted two properties. One was manager ID and the other was employee ID. Now in order to access promoted properties, we cannot use the dot operator. We have to hit opening bracket and we get a pop-up of all the properties that we can use. Let us hit our project name. So you can see that we are seeing two promoted properties like employee ID and manager ID. Once we select the field that we want and close the bracket. So this is the way in which you can access the distinguished fields using the dot operator and promoted properties using those brackets after the message that we had created. In another video, I will demonstrate how these promoted properties can be used in context properties for routing of messages in BizTalk. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.